Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Erica Kelly, and in today's video, your girl, she got to get her nails done. Look at this. This is a hot mess I got going on. So, your girl's got to go to the nail shop. If you're new here, yeah, just make sure you consider subscribing. I want you to hit that subscribe button for me. And we're going to go ahead in with the outfit of the day. All right. So, outfit of the day is, definitely know I'm rocking Sparkle Queens jewelry. Yeah, I got men's jewelry available right now for my urban wear. So right now I'm rocking this urban necklace, gold chain. I'm also rocking this gold ring. Make sure you shop with me online or when I do my live jewelry sales. All my jewelry is just $5. It's lead and nickel free. It won't break you out, won't turn you green, none of that. So I decided I was gonna go with this chain today. And from Citi Trends, I found this dope Ice Cube shirt. I'm like, I gotta get that. So I'm rocking this Ice Cube shirt, y'all. America's Most Wanted. So I thought this was dope. I like the artwork on the shirt. I'm rocking some jeans today. I'm definitely rocking my gold wrist watch. Shop with me very soon. We're gonna head to the nail shop and I'll see you at the nail shop.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. You can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That ever never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Just cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline.
So, all right, so I'm at the nail shop right now. So I'm about to get this color, something pink, something cute. So I think this will be a nice color. I'm at Blossom Nails. They always do like such a good job on my nails. So yes, I'm not gonna do no toes today, and I'll probably get like my daughter's nails done after mine, and then yeah.
That's cutting on into my time. My time.
All right, y'all. I just got my nails done. Just came from the nail shop, and I did some pink nails. I did some pink tips, and now your girl, I'm hungry, so I'm at Subway. So I'm about to big back it. About to make me a sandwich. I think I'm gonna do a roast beef and pepperoni sandwich. And Foot Long has these new like dippers right here. They're like foot long dippers. And they got, I don't know, I might want to try one. But I don't know. I'm about to go get something to eat, y'all. And they got these foot long dippers I might want to try. And they only like $3 each.
A little bit extra. These days, these new girls, they got me nervous. They go to school and do bottle service. They can't decide to keep switching majors. Being indecisive makes me anxious. Call your number and it's out of service. Who can I call for your information? What am I supposed to do after we done everything that we done? Who is your replacement?
Y'all, I got my Subway sandwich. Got some cookies, a bag of chips. Then I got my sandwich. Got me a drink. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'm starving. I just came from the nail shop. This is what my nails look like. My daughter is getting her nails done, so I thought I'd get me some lunch real quick. So I'm about to big bag it. Got that strawberry cheesecake cookie. Chocolate chip. Macadamia. How was y'all 4th of July? Everybody have a great 4th of July. If you haven't seen it, make sure you watch my 4th of July vlog. So yeah, this is the sandwich. Straight big bacon.
Well, I got a foot long, call it hot shot Italian and a foot long. Any chips or drinks? Sandwiches? Okay. 15, 18 $50. Saves it all.
I'm gonna finish eating it. I will be right back. Okay? Oh, look at my sweetie's nails. Okay, look how beautiful it is. So, are these, what kind are these? Spider-Man?
Yeah,
inspiration?
Spider-Man.
Oh, see the little spider on there, guys? Yep. And I just did mine's pink. So this is our nails together. All right, next we're gonna get to the nail shop. All right, so I'm back. I dropped my daughter off at the braid shop, so she's getting her hair done. Right now, I'm about to head up in Citi Trends. Good. All right, so I'm in Citi Trends right now. We're gonna look at some gear. They got some luggages over there. I'm just looking around. Let's see what they got at Citi Trends, y'all. A lot of luggages. This is kind of like the luggage I got. I like that.
Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I
swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back out, bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they go for it. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. Blowing her back out, bullshit. Spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip. And my shooters, they shooting. I won't take it, they do it.
All right, so baby just got her hair done at the braid factory, and she's coming out the door. Hopefully she likes her hair. And let's check out her hair now. Hey, baby, got her hair done. Ooh, look how pretty she is.
Good.
Let's see your hair, baby. That's the hair she chose. Here, show the camera. Longer?
No, I thought it was gonna be like right here.
Oh, so that's good that you had it longer, huh? Yes. I'm glad you liked it. All right. Hey, y'all. I am back home. It is hot outside. It's like 85 degrees. It is burning up out there, y'all. And right now, it's like 4 o'clock p.m. So I've been out all day. Like, I've been out since 10:30 this morning. So let's give us a rundown of the day so far. Woke up about 10:30. Went to the nail shop. Nails is dead. After my appointment was my daughter's appointment. Got her nails did. Oh, hold on. I got a call. Hold on. Anyway, I don't know. I had a call, but I'm back. Okay, so anyway, got my nails done. Got my daughter's nails done. Then I took her to the braid shop to do something with her hair real quick because I ain't got time. Like, to be doing no hair. None of that. Like, I'd rather just pay the braid shop to do it because this will hold her up for maybe for a couple of weeks. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, after that, I ate some Subway. Then I went to Citi Trends, y'all. I went to Citi Trends and baby, I be telling you, women, they be hating so bad. You know, I was in Citi Trends and I was shopping, and then the lady seen my ring, right? She was like, oh my God, that ring is so beautiful. She was like, this ring is so nice. And I'm like, oh, really? I'm like, well, this is off my line, Sparkle Queens, and I sell paparazzi jewelry. And I said, if you want it, it's just $5. And all of a sudden, she had a whole totally different demeanor about the ring. She just said that was so beautiful on me. All of a sudden, she didn't like fake jewelry. All of a sudden, she don't wear fake stuff. She liked the real stuff. So I was like, yeah, I'll give you a business card. No, I don't even wear fake stuff. But at the same time, you're shopping at Citi Trends. Like, girl, bye. So that always happened. Like, people like, oh, I like your necklace. Well, hey, I actually sell. It's only $5. You can buy it off me right now if you want. No. But anyway, so I'm excited. My business cards came in the mail. Yes, my new business cards. So they look like this. This is my consultant number on there. So ID number, websites on where to shop. And I'm so excited that my business cards came in the mail. So tons of business cards. So when I first was starting off, I went to the library. And remember, I went to the library and printed off some cards. So these was the business cards I was using that I made myself. I just printed a whole bunch of papers off from the library. Took some pictures of my jewelry. And I had put it on there. put a picture of my face, but these can totally go in the trash, right? I might keep them. Just, I don't know, I might just put them in the trash. Now that I got the real deal business cards, these was like $35. So for a whole, like 100 of them. So I'm so excited to have gotten this. So I put them in my bling bag. But yeah, all of a sudden she don't like fake jewelry. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I got out of Citi Trends while I'm here. So I'm trying to vlog today. Okay, so I went to Citi Trends and I got a couple t-shirts. So the first shirt I got, like I said, I had got this shirt from Citi Trends. It says America's Most Wanted. So let me go back, see if I can find me some more t-shirts. So I'm low, I'm very low on t-shirts. So I got this shirt right here. It says Finesse Everything. A little cutout here. So I probably could wear this with some, probably could like work out in this if I wanted to. It's a 3X and I paid 10 smackaroos, $9.99. So y'all will probably be seeing me in this shirt. Okay, I got that. I also got another t-shirt. Since it was, you know, my size 3X, this one was $12.99. I said, well, I need some more t-shirts. This is just a pink shirt. It says Chevrolet. Right, all right. And then in the back, it has that. I like the little race car shirt. So I thought that was cute. It's in my size 3X. Okay. I got this here. It's a 3X. And it is a denim, a pink denim jacket. And it has the little ruffles on the end. I don't know. This was on sale for $5. 5 smackaroos. And it's a denim like button up. Like a little denim pink jacket. I ain't tried it out. I want to try it out now. This is cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with it. This is so cute. You know, like a little pink throw over. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right, we might can work, do something with that. It's like a jean jacket, but it's pink. I like it. I like the cuts on the side. Okay, I got that. I'll probably wear it a couple times and then I'll probably post it on my Pushmart account anyway. So I just wanted to get some pink since I got my nails pink, you know. Wanted to get some pink shirts. Okay, we got that. Also got some Nicki Minaj chips. This is sour cream. And some Nicki Minaj truffle sour cream potato chips. This is the back of the chips. My favorite rapper, Nicki Minaj. She's on here. It says, she says, "'Cause I'm still hood. Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to all my haters. Sorry that you couldn't phase me." And that was Nicki Minaj. Okay. So I'm gonna be eating my chips. I'm probably gonna do a little taste test on those. Also want to try this Starburst cotton candy. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a separate video on these two. Okay. All right. I also went to the Nike outlet. Anyway, like I was saying, I went to the Nike outlet and I bought 2 pairs of shoes. 2 pair. And the first pair, I bought these right here. Okay, this is part of my outfit of the day. And they got the light blue. These are them Air Maxes. Okay, get y'all some, ladies. Went perfect with my shirt today, my outfit. My second pair of shoes I bought was these right here. Okay, these is going hard. Getting a lot of compliments on my shoes when I'm in public. I wear it with a little t-shirt, some jeans, and I'm out the door. So yeah. I also bought 2 t-shirts. Let me go grab those. All right, I bought this pink Nike shirt. And you know I love me some animal print. And I thought maybe I could probably rock that together with that. And it got the little blue on the end. Okay. And then this is the second shirt I bought. Same thing, different color, Nike. That probably could still go with that. It don't really go, but so I got these 2 Nike shirts. So happy about that.
Erica Kelly Vlog is a mom vlogger who does a lot of different things on her channel, such as clothing hauls, family vlogs, and sometimes she may even break the news on you. You never know what you're going to get on her channel. So you guys, let's go support her channel. Let's get her subscriber count up, and let's also get her views up. Make sure y'all hashtag it up in her comment section so she know it's real. Hashtag my jazzy life so she know that it's real.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a 2-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a 2-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a full clip, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it up full risk. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his tata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Open his Zaza.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my 4, 5 sums. 4, 5 sums. 4, 5 sums. 4, 5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status.